I don't know. We're on our way into the preserve. I can't fit in there. I'll meet you on the other side. Where you at? Ah! 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 It's a spider web. You too? Oh no. Look at these little berries. I don't think we could eat them. You could hold it. I don't think we can eat them. Oh. You need another one?
Thank you. Uh-oh.
Okay. Don't eat it. You just throw it for the animals.
Huh?
Just throw it in the forest. In the preserve, in the beach preserve. I used to love coming to like little preserves and walking, regaining the energy and the vitality and the enjoyment to do so. Being a mom, having a toddler keeps you on your, it's gonna keep you active. And you gotta choose and decide, are you gonna let motherhood drain you, or are you gonna let it propel you, push you forward? You got a choice, even when you're tired, because I'm tired. I could take a nap right now. Baby, I'm 7 months pregnant. It doesn't look like it, but I am. And I'm tired. But it's okay. I'm out here. My baby got me active. You got some more? Hi, tree. Thanks. Am I close? I got it on 0.5. It's a bug on there. I think the tree said no. It said stop doing that, baby. It said no more. I don't think so. Don't eat it. Put it on the ground, okay? Put them on the ground, baby. Throw them for the animals. Okay, you gotta throw them so they can come get them. Throw it. Throw it in the air. Yeah. Yay. No, you don't. We don't need no more. Come on, baby. No. Look at this anthill. The ants are coming out of here. They live here. They live in there. Ant life. Life of an ant. You see them? Don't touch them. Those are red ants. Just don't touch them. The, what are they called? The jet skis in the water. Whoa. Whoa, look at that lizard. It's a striped lizard. It's striped. You don't have to be scared. It's in there. It ran away.
Mommy?
The sea grapes.
Grapes. I like them. Delicious.
You throw 'em to the birds. Okay.
Look at me.
All right. Look at these flowers. Ooh, let's go sit down over here. I be bored to sit down. We be walking around for a little bit. Okay, I need a break. Okay. Show some more. Thank you.
No.
What am I supposed to do with them?
Hello.
Thank you. Let me see. Can I transfer them? Here, baby. I'm gonna drop them. Ow. Ow. What the hell? Oh, it's something pokey on my foot. What is that? What is this? Ow.
Hi, Mommy.
I don't know what that was.
I said spot on it.
It was a little. Let me move it out the way. Like, I don't know what you call them, but they stick to your clothes or your shoes, and they hurt and they're pointing.
Come here. Come over here. Come in here.
Come in here?
Yeah.
What we doing?
New home.
Huh?
It's my new home.
Our new home?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our new home.
Wow. Clean it. This way. Wow. It's my new home.
Y'all like our new home? You like our new home? I love it. It's so pretty. Oh, my foot's bleeding. It's bleeding. It's okay. I'm okay. My video ended. The show must go on. Are we gonna go sit down? Let's get all the let's take our grapes and go sit down and count them. Okay? Okay. How many you got in your hand? I'll grab some, and then we could go count them. Okay? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some. All right, we're gonna go sit down and count them. Huh? Be careful over there. No, don't go that way. Those pokey things are over there. Come on, turn around. We got our sea grapes. We're gonna go count them. Come on, we gotta go to the bench. We're gonna go sit down at the bench. Go straight ahead, baby. And then you're gonna go to the right. This is the right, baby. This way. Can you walk? Oh, someone's sitting there. Never mind. Okay, baby, I won't hurt myself. Someone took the seat.
Huh?
They took it. Where should we go now?
This way.
Okay. Oh, over here. Let's go to that one. You see it? Come on, walk in front of me. Yeah.
What's it, Mommy? Well, what's this? Mommy?
It's like a mini pool.
Huh?
It's like a mini pool. Yeah. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Do you want to sit down? Okay.
1, 2.
Want me to help you sit down, or you just gotta stand up? Okay.
1, 2, 3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
9, 10.
Oh, they're dropping. It's okay.
Good.
We got 1, 2,
I
3.
did.
Okay, let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I
6,
got them.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Mommy,
12.
I got them. 2.
What is that on your hand?
Hmm?
I don't know.
Well, Mommy, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take my shoes off. this is
Where are you going? She's gonna go play in the water.
Yay!
No, do not get your clothes wet. Only your feet, okay? Only our feet. Okay? Okay. Don't go too far, Lonnie. Ooh. Not too far. Hey, 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 Alani.
Huh?
Oh, this is a pretty picture.
Reopen the world in the next 12 months. Hire right the first time. LinkedIn hiring. Post a free job today at linkedin.com/employee. Yeah, no, I